354 million people according to 2017 World Bank. It's the fourth most populous country in this world. And based on demographic trends, the country's population will increase to about 321 million by 2050. This is an astonishing rise. Do you think with this large number of people, it surely shows the nation will thrive? How about the good quality of life of its people? Has the country fulfilled the citizens' health? Indonesia ranks 116th out of 189 on the UN's Human Development Index, a statistic developed by the United Nations organization which involves index of education, per capita income, and life expectancy to measure the country's level of development. I'm telling you how are the conditions of our Indonesia. As of now, Indonesia struggles to provide high-quality education to its citizens. The country has much lower literacy levels than those of other Southeast Asian nations. And its people decent standard of living or GDP per capita is less than half of neighboring Malaysia. Moreover, for life expectancy, it is 7 years lower than in Vietnam. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Najla and I'm from Al-Zaytun. Today, I wouldn't like to talk about all those indexes said before, but in this opportunity, please allow me to share my opinions on one particular item of HDI. It's all about things we should do to increase our nation's life expectancy. It is well-known fact that the youth are the great asset for the country. The youth plays an important role in nation building. The youth determines the future of the nation. They are required to contribute their insight, strength, ability, energy, and even dreams to bring significant changes for the country. Take a look for Indonesian youth back when Indonesia was still under Dutch colonization. Muhammad Hatta, Hajar Dewantara, Hasto Prominoto, and many more. It had been proven that they had capacity as the agent of change. For this reason, it's no wonder the young people are highly needed for the country, the youth who are definitely healthy physically and mentally. Why is it very important the healthy young people like us for the nation? What major contribution we could make for the nation development? My friend, when we have excellent health, physically and mentally, we can think clearly and critically which means our smart ideas. And thought thoughtfully can be the solution for the problems of our country. We can do many things as the real actions to take charge in the nation condition, such as raising money for humanity to support those affected by coronavirus disease through online fundraising in social media. Instead of making fully stupid things like a YouTuber did pranking by handing out your bag as food during the recent pandemic outbreak of COVID-19. Ladies and gentlemen, in conclusion, there are a lot of actions showing the potential youth that we should to remain the existence of Indonesia in this world. As a part of the youth, I would like to talk to you, and it's also as a reminder for me to be active in completing nation's life experience. Let's stay our mind and body health, so that we can continually take part in the development of our Indonesia. Let's never be pessimistic feeling that there is nothing we can do much for Indonesia improvement since we are still too young. Let's never think about the outcome before doing action, but to believe in the words, the result never betray the efforts. And let's not be proud of what we are as the youth for the nation, but proud of how we spend our youth for the glory of the nation. That's all my speech, and thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum, merdeka.